Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man, motorhome wash man. Just finished this motorhome. Did a mini detail package on it. Turned out real good. I'm gonna show you the roof in a second. This is an after video, so I'm gonna show you the mold, where the mold used to be. Look at that shine. Got a lot of oxidation off of this. And the roof. You can see we got all the mold off of it. You should never let your roof get these little spots, these little dots like this, because that's actually mold growing into the roof. But most of it can come off when I wax it. But I didn't wax this roof. So, but you don't want mold eating into the fiberglass of your roof. I use a special wash solution and drying method to get this to shine without waxing it. I've been doing a lot of these van type pleasure, what do you call them, pleasure craft, or this one is called a Coachman. But, these are nice. These are very popular. A lot of people have them. They're great for around town. And the wash lady is finishing up in the back. We're out here, where are we at? Out here by Joyce, Washington. So this one is finished. She's done. We're going to be packing up and getting out of here. This took about 5 hours to do. And you guys have a great day.